I'm at Hobby Lobby. Let's check out the Easter and spring stuff. Alright guys, let's get into it. Look how cute these are. Napkin holders and these cute little bunnies. Pillow covers for $8.99 and $11.99. These little trio bunnies. These carrot napkin holders are really cute for $6.99. I love this little candy dish. This is cute for $12. And it's 40% off pricing for the spring stuff. They got the Peeps cups, and this lights up. It's $14.99. On sale for $8.99. Got this little egg tray for $8.50. Mark down. These are really cute to scatter around your table. This little bunny are $8.50 for these little, can't think, candy holders. And they have napkin sets. These are adorable too for candy. These are $10, again 40% off. I really like these ones. It's only $6.50. Look how cute this mug is with this bunny. This is so adorable. I love it. And we have the toothpicks with the bunnies on them. Little carrots. The Highland cows, my favorite. We have this blow-up egg decor for $2.99, the garland for $3.99. We have the Happy Easter cups, and these are $4.99 for 20 count. Again, 40% off. Look at all these sprinkles if you're into baking. This little rabbit charcuterie board tray is $16.99. We have these sprinkles. Little gift tags for $2.99. Again, here is the pricing for the sale. They have napkins and tissue paper. This is a really good deal. 48 count for $3.99. Bunny picks too for your little food. Cupcakes. Little treat baggies with the zippers. Let's go around the corner and check out. They have more napkins and little cups. Have these little bunny decor. These light up. These are $13.99. These little bunnies are $7.50. Look how cute these are for $4.99. Have the big signs. These are so nice for the decor in the yard or inside. This bunny one is $25. He is risen. Let me see if I can get a price on this. This is $23.99. Put it back. I really like that. These bunnies are $17.99, $12.99. Again, remember the 40% off. They have these baskets. These little pillows are $16.99. And the big flocked bunnies are $32. The smaller bunnies are $10.99. They're 40% off. I love these colors. These are $14.99. This big egg is $35. And the small one is $22. And we got the wreaths. These are $13.99. 40% off sale. Let's get into the baskets. These cute baskets are $4.49. I love this one. It's $17.99. Pricing with that. This little cute ones for $4.99. These ones have the furry bunnies on top. Those are $13.99. So mark down be about like $8.50 or so. I love this wicker one with the polka dots. These ones are really cute too. These are $15. These little bunny ones are adorable. And I like these wicker ones down here. Nice for decor eggs. This carrot one is really fun for $8. Here's the little ones I was showing you for $4.99. These metal ones. And then they have like sports themes, dino. I love the flocked garland of the eggs. Those are $20. The carrot one's really pretty as well. Flowers. Very, very, very pretty. I'm loving that. I really love these though. Here's some more of the decor. This is cute. The wreaths are really cute and pretty. We have a lot to choose from. I love the florals. This is really cute. Guys, which ones do you like? Look at these little florals down here. They're so cute. And the little carrot, $6.50 for that carrot. He is risen. I love this too. Oh, it lights up. Oh, I love this. Let me see how much this is. There's a price on it. I can find $6.50 and then 40% off. It's beautiful. Bunnies, so much to choose from. And so how cute are these little cups? $4.99. Little dinosaurs and the little fairies. Really cute. They have the little Easter trees for $6.49. They light up. This is super cute too. So $6.49, so like $4 something. These are really cute. They have the flocked eggs. The little bunnies are $5.49. These little birds are really cute. We have the little Disco bunny. This is $8.99. More bunnies are $4.99. The guy down here is super cute. This is $25. The small flocked bunnies are $3.49. They have the bigger ones for $10.99 and $15.99. They have He Is Risen shirts. It's $23 and $20, 40% off. They have little craft kits. You can paint. It's really fun. Here's some more of these little eggs for decor. $2.99, so $1.79 on sale. We have the rabbits, the light up eggs. And I love these houses. These are like by far my favorite. And these are $13.99 with 40% off. Super cute and detailed. Look at these cute bunnies. So $4.49, 40% off. More of the little light up egg trees. These are just really cute and nice to have decor. Oh, and the Highland cow. Look how cute this little guy is for $2.49. More bunnies, eggs, and the little bunny family. Okay, stuff to fill Easter baskets, or if you're doing classroom gifts. $1.99 for these little bunny whistles. These little squishy bears are $2.50. They have putty. These are cute. They have a lot of stuff. Kaleidoscopes, $2.99. Wind up swimming bunny for the bathtub. This little bubble kit. Peeps putty. Peeps little bracelets. They have puzzles and books. Bernstein bears. Paint kits. They have these pencils. This squishy carrot decor. Then these are for your dogs. They have these plates for $2.99. This little bubble machine is $7.99. Again, this is all 40% off too. And then they have the eggs, like the ducky eggs. They have a gold and silver egg. They have a big ginormous egg. Pick one of those up. See how much they cost for me. Can you pick this up? Can you pick this up for me? So what is this, guys? Fillable and mega egg. So $21.99. And is there more inside? So you get 3 in there?
Yeah, I think.
Is that 3 for $21.99? And then they have these painted eggs, speckled eggs. So all these for Easter egg hunts, and again, 40% off. Look at these little eggs for crafting. So cute. These little sprinkles, little miniature bunnies, gnomes. Look at these little bunnies, little chickies. They have the carrots too. Down here's the pricing, 40% off. So you're into crafting. They have these little mini egg baskets and the eggs. Little flocked bunnies for creating your Easter eggs. And stitching, painting. They have these little foam stickers, scratch crosses, ornaments, sun catchers. They have the palm leaves for $7.99. These are cute too, this Easter egg craft. My kids love painting. I'm trying to like get in here. This one looks like it's all broken. But this He Is Risen is like the whole set of Jesus. It's $10. So nice. I've never seen that before. I love it. So these are really cute crafts to do with your kids. If you're having a party, like it's a whole bunch of sheets to do crafts with kids. Really cute. These cute little items they have. Look at these little socks. I love socks. They're my favorite. These are $4.99. This little bunny purse. They have the Peeps sunglasses. It's cute. Look at this little bracelet kit. Earrings. And they have these bows. These are really cute. $2.99. Look at this little bracelet set for $1.99. This is so cute. Headbands. He Is Risen. I really love that. $2.99. More little socks. Scrunchies. Bows. Again, these are all broken down. 40% off. They have these cookies up here for 99 cents. It's a really cute treat. Great for Easter basket or just to eat now because they look delicious. And then they have the bunny ears for $3.99 and $2.99. And again, remember they're 40% off. These ones are so soft. I love them. All right. this is included in, this is giving me summer vibes. Look at all this fruit, little place settings, $10. Look at this little cutting board. This is awesome. And this is 40% off too. We got the lemon, got cheese board. All this stuff is so fun. Like, I love it. They even have the dish towels. I love the strawberry ones. Then we got little happy face. Look at these fruit sponges. Get a set of 6. These are cute, $3.29. These cups, and they're included in the sale of 40% off. So you can get your whole little summer set going on. This is so cute. This is $30. This is a great gift idea too. And we have colorful stuff over here as well. These ones are for like, you know, paper plates. You make like hot dogs or fries. They have like little dip, all the colors that you need for your party. They have these color changing ones. These are cool looking. These are $15. You get a 6-pack. And they are 40% off. So $8.99. They even have large buckets. Popsicle makers. And this kid's little dinner set is $11.59. It's awesome. Some outdoor decor. They have this Connect 4, it's $110. Slam ball, washers, $26. They have Connect 4. They have the wooden tumbling like Jenga set for $16.99. This is the Connect 4 game for $21.99. They have a wooden domino set. And then the cornhole set is on sale for $39.99 as well. We have like a soccer goal. My kid has one of these. It's $20. And the giant Pong set. And I don't know how much this is. I don't see a price on that. And then over here they have some of the blow-up sets. Look at this cute little pool for $20. This is $10.99. And then the splash pad is $12.99. And slip and slide is $15.